Today, I'll be showing you how to create a complete affiliate profile for your Shopify store using the best app on Shopify. I'll be guiding you with the step-by-step process so you can recruit affiliates, track referrals, and pay commissions. First thing first, why use affiliates? Well, affiliates drive traffic and sales for a performance fee, so you can only pay when they convert. It's cost-effective and scales well. For Shopify, UpPromote, Referral, and Affiliately are popular choices. I would personally recommend the first one called UpPromote. This is probably the most popular one, and it is very much for a good reason. You can see it has 4.9 stars out of 5 with over 2,600 reviews, and I'll show you exactly how you can use this one to set up an affiliate program for your store. However, you can see the pricing can add up. So they have a free plan available where you do already have unlimited affiliates. But for example, the growth plan, which will cost you $30 per month, you will be able to approve or deny more referrals per month. You will get the customer referral program, white label email, affiliate in-app chat, store credit, marketplace listing, and quite a lot of helpful stuff especially locked in the professional field, such as the auto payment from PayPal, customer affiliate links, auto discount, and also auto generate coupon, auto tire commission, and more. But you can see you can use it for free, and I'll show you how you can do that. But if you don't want to be locked in to the amount of referrals per month and you also don't want to pay, then I would check out GoAffPro. Go Affiliate Pro, and this one right here has a free plan with unlimited affiliates and unlimited revenue, and it also has a very good reviews. But in this video again, I'll be showing you how to use UpPromote. Now I'm not sponsored by them, but I think it is the best one. So to find it, go to the apps here, then click on recommended apps and go to the Shopify app store, and then you can search UpPromote, then just going to click on install. Wait for a while. Once you have landed on the page, you need to once again click on install. After doing that, you now have installed UpPromote Affiliate in your store. Now it's all about setting it up. So just click on get started. Then you can choose your program settings. First, you have tracking method. You can do affiliate links and you can choose affiliate coupons, or you can turn the affiliate coupons off. If you just want people to able to share their link with a friend, then you want to do the link. But with the coupon, often you will need to give a discount. So if you don't want to do that, you can turn that off. But in my opinion, it don't usually matter. I'll just keep both of them on. Then for the commission type, you can do a % off the sale. You can do a flat rate per items or the flat rate per order. The standard way to do it is a % off the sale, since that is also the most consistent. So let's say that I want to offer a 10% commission. I can just keep the right here and also lower it to 5 or make it higher, how much you want according to your need. But for example, I'll use 10. Then you can do a subpath settings. So the subpath is a URL part that generates custom affiliate registration and login links. From there, click save and next. Now here, create an affiliate account. So set your email address as a test account. Just click create account. Now enter a password to create your account. Then click create. From there, click activate account. So we're going to turn this on right here. Now basically, you have approved this account. They can close it and click next. They can test the tracking system. So just click on the link right here, and then it will open up your store. Now right now, mine is still password protected. From there, click next, and then you can choose the payment method. So there are manual payout. You will need to upgrade to the plan that I have showed you earlier. It will be the professional plan, which is going to cost you $90 per month. But you can also do it manually, specifically if you don't have many affiliates in the beginning. For example, I'll be using PayPal and let's say bank transfer. From there, click save and next. Now here, they have a few premium plans. If you just click on continue without subscribing, then you can continue for free, and then it will take you to the overview. So you can see right here, my current plan is free plan with a referral limit of 200 referral per month, and only one program. Now for me, that's fine. This is the overview. We can see the amount of affiliates you have, the clicks, referrals, and sales. So basically, now if someone wants to join your affiliate program, here's what they can do. So what you have to do is your registration page. Now there is a few things you can do to customize that. You can change the template or you can customize the page itself. But in this video, I won't go over that too much. But you can go and customize what the text says, color, and many more. Then here you have your program registration link. So you can just copy this link right here and you'll see if I paste this in new page, from there someone can go and sign up for affiliate program. So I'll just do this to show you what it looks like. So I have now created an affiliate account for my own affiliate program. And you can see they get a very professional looking dashboard where they can see their clicks. They can see their commissions, sales, referrals. They can see how much it has been approved and paid as well and pending also. In the program details, they can see how much you pay. For example, the commission amount here is 10% and it is a percent of the sale. Then you can see right now it says your account has not been activated yet. So if I now go to UpPromote affiliate app, I'm just going to refresh this. You will see that now an affiliate pops up. So right here on the to-do list, you will now see one affiliate is pending. I'm going to click on this. Well, I can just approve or deny, log in as affiliate or delete it. Now if I click approve, they will be approved and you can also switch them off if you want to. But if I now activate them again, I'll go back to my own dashboard right here, which is for the account. You can now see it has been created and now I can get my default affiliate link. So now I can click copy and now this person has their affiliate link, which they can now use, and if they can drive a sale through the link, they will be getting a commission. Well, they can also do it with the product link. So right here, you can enter a link to a product or they can search for a product. Right here, now it will show all the products that are on Shopify store. They can then select one of those products, add a source and then click generate, and then they can promote a specific product as well. So now you can see it's all made very simple. You can also add marketing tools. Everything can be managed from within here. So you have your programs, your affiliates, your referrals. If you want to do a payment, just go to payment and then here you can see who needs to get paid and you can go and pay them. In this place, you can move into different pages. You can see different promotional resources, coupon, media gallery, and many more. You can also do incentives such as gifts and bonuses. For example, the top affiliates gets $1,000 bonus. Now under view more, you can also have your outreach, analytics, settings, pricing, and for example, in outreach, you can chat with affiliates. You can send them emails. You can also do affiliate recruitment from here. And you can see it all works very well. So basically, now you have to set up the affiliate program, and what I would recommend doing is promoting the link in your website itself. So if you go to UpPromote affiliate, here you will have the default program registration link. Simply go ahead and copy that link. Now head over to your store and then click customize. Now what you can do in order to add affiliate link to your store is, where the most people place is in the footer. For example, I want to place it under join our email, listed right over here. Now what I will do is just remove the text that has been written over here. Once removed, you can simply write join our affiliate program and then paste the link that you have just copied. Once done, now whoever clicks on your link, they will be able to join your affiliate program and then you will be good to go. Now finally, promote your program. Share your affiliate sign up link on your website, email newsletters, and social media as well. You can also invite influencers or loyal customers to join and earn commissions. And this is it. Your Shopify affiliate profile is now fully set up. With UpPromote, you can easily manage affiliates, track their performance, and grow your sales on autopilot. If this video really helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will be seeing you in the next one. Till then, take care and thank you.